Okay, in this video we're going to explain to you how to calculate the relative formula mass, or MR, for a compound. So this first one here as an example is CH4. What we have to do is add up the relative atomic masses of the individual parts. So in here at the moment there is one carbon. If you look it up on the periodic table, carbon's got a mass of 12, so it's 1 times 12, which is 12. We also have got 4 lots of hydrogen, so it's 4 times hydrogen. Hydrogen's relative atomic mass is 1. So that means it's 4 times 1, which is 4. To find the total mass for this formula, we now add these up. That gives me a mass of 16. So relative formula mass, or MR, for methane is 16. Let me show you another one. Here we've got ethanol, a little bit trickier, because in here now we have to look across the compound for the atoms in there. So we've got 2 lots of carbon. So we've got 2 times carbon. We've got 3, 4, 5, 6 times hydrogen, and we've got 1 times oxygen. Okay, so if we work this out, that's 2 times 12, which is 24. In here we've got 6 times the mass of 1 for hydrogen is 6, and we've got 1 times mass of oxygen is 16, which is 16. Add those up, that gives me a total of 46. Do one more example. Here we've got iron sulfate. We've got to be careful, the brackets are in here, so we've got to take account for these. So let's deal with the front of this. There are 2 lots of iron, so it's 2 times Fe. Sulfur, there's 1 inside the bracket, but then we've got a little 3 here, so that means there are 3 lots of sulfur. There's 4 oxygens inside the bracket, times that by 3 is 12 lots of oxygen. Let's put our numbers in. So the mass of iron is 56. The mass of sulfur is 32, so we've got 3 times 32. We've got 12 times the mass of oxygen, which is 16 times 12. We need to work each of these out now, so that gives me 112. 3 times that is 96, and 12 times 16 is 192. Add them all up, and that gives me a mass of 400. If you need a little bit more help, then watch the video that explains more about this, but that's the how-to video.